Bonjour, bienvenue. Le présent est le passé du conditionnel. Conditional present and past we learn. In the construction of conditional present, we make use of future stem and imperfect endings. That is, if a verb is to be conjugated in conditional present, we take the future stem, indicative future stem, and with the stem we add indicative imperfect endings. For example, alle is given, ALLER. The future stem of alle in indicative mode is I or AIS. AIS is the imperfect endings in indicative mode. So I or AIS, I or AIS, I or AIT. Like this, the conjugation develops. So j'irai means I would go, tu irais, you would go, il irait, he or she would go, nous irions, vous iriez, ils iraient, elles iraient. This is the conjugation of alle in present conditional. 5 more examples are given on the screen. Avoir. What's the future stem of avoir? AUR. With AUR, we keep adding imperfect endings. So we get j'aurais. J apostrophe AUR AIS. Tu aurais. AUR AIS. Il al AUR AIT. Like this, it goes on. Être. Future stem is SER. With SER, add the imperfect endings. Je serai, tu serais, etc. Parler. Parler, regular ER group of verb. The full verb is the stem of future. So with the future stem, add AIS, AIS, AIT, AIT. Finir. FINIR, AIS, AIS, AIT, AIT. Add imperfect endings. Savoir, SAUR is a future stem, and with the future stem, keep adding imperfect endings. Je saurais, tu saurais, up to elle saurait. ELLES, SAUR, AIENT. In the making of negative and interrogative, we follow the already learnt pattern. No is added after the subject, pas is added after the verb. So it becomes je n'irai pas, I would not go. Interrogative, est-ce que j'irai, irais-tu, irait-il? Would I go? Would you go? Etc. We have two tenses in conditional mode. The first tense is présent du conditionnel. The second one is a compound tense, that is passé du conditionnel. Past in the conditional mode. Do you remember the making of passé composé that we learnt in Digital French class 23? Passé composé is nothing but subject plus avoir or être in indicative present tense plus past participle of the verb. Passé du conditionnel follows the same pattern. Subject plus avoir or être in conditional present and past participle of the verb. In passé composé, we make use of indicative present of avoir or être, whereas in passé du conditionnel, we make use of conditional present of avoir or être. Parler, the verb is conjugated in passé du conditionnel. J'aurais. What is j'aurais? AURAIS. That's nothing but conditional present of avoir and the past participle PARLE acute accent is added. What's the meaning of j'aurais? I would have spoken. Parler. J'aurais parlé. I would have spoken. Tu aurais parlé. You would have spoken. Elle aurait parlé. He or she would have spoken. Like that, it continues up to elles auraient parlé. They would have spoken. This is the conjugation of the verb parler in passé du conditionnel, affirmative form. In the negative form, ne is added after je, pas is added after the conjugation of the auxiliary verb avoir. We get je n'aurais pas parlé. I would not have spoken. Interrogative inversion. Aurais-je parlé? Je aurais inversed. We get aurais-je parlé. Would I have spoken? This is how affirmative, negative and interrogative forms are formed in passé du conditionnel. An intransitive verb aller is made in passé du conditionnel. Avoir is not used here. Aller requires the conjugation of être in the compound tenses. We conjugate être in conditional present and the past participle of aller is added. Je serai. What is je serai? It's a conjugation of être in conditional present. With this, the past participle is added with agreement. Whenever a verb is made with the help of être, the past participle should agree with the gender and number of the subject. Je serais allé. ALLE acute accent. One more E is added when je is feminine singular. Tu serais allé. ALLE or ALLE acute accent. One more E is added when tu is feminine singular. Like that, it goes up to elles seraient allées. They would have gone. Je serais allé. I would have gone. Tu serais allé. You would have gone. This is the translation. And in the negative, as usual, no is added after the subject. Pas is added after the auxiliary verb être. Je ne serais pas allé. I would not have gone. Interrogative, make inversion. Serais-je allé? Would I have gone? Se laver, a pronominal verb conjugated in passé du conditionnel. Here also, we make use of être in conditional present. It becomes je me serais lavé. I would have washed myself. Tu te serais lavé. You would have washed yourself. Like this, the conjugation develops up to elles se seraient lavées. They would have washed themselves. Negative form, ne is added after je, pas is added after the auxiliary verb conjugation. Être, pas. Je ne me serais pas lavé. I would not have washed myself. Interrogative, we make use of inversion. Me serais-je lavé? Would I have washed myself? Where do we use these conditional tenses, conditional present tense and conditional passé? We use them in two places. Here on the screen, you have got three cases. If plus present indicative gives you future indicative. That is, in the conditional clause, if present tense and in the main class you will write future of indicative. Si tu viens, if you come. Tu viens. Viens, venir in indicative present tense. That's the conditional clause. So in the conditional clause, you come across indicative present tense. Look at the main clause. Nous irons au cinéma. We will go to the cinema. What is will go? Future tense. This is the first case where indicative present tense and indicative future tense are used to make a condition. If plus present indicative will give you future indicative in the main class. This is the first case. If plus present tense, future tense. In the second and third case, if plus imperfect of indicative mode, in the main class you will come across present conditional, conditional present. That is, si tu venais. What is venais? Venir conjugated in imperfect indicative mode. That's the conditional clause. So in the conditional clause, you come across imperfect. In that case, in the main clause, you will have to write conditional present. Si tu venais, nous irions au cinéma. If you came, we would go to the cinema. Nous irions. What is irions? That's nothing but the conjugation of aller in conditional present. So understand, if plus present tense, future tense. If plus imperfect, conditional present. And the third case, if plus fluique perfect of indicative mode, you will have to write in the main class passé du conditionnel. That is, si tu étais venu, if you had come. Look at the main class. Nous serions allés au cinéma. We would have gone to the cinema. What is serions allés? Passé du conditionnel. In the conditional clause, you come across fluique perfect. In the main class, you will have to write passé du conditionnel. In the conditional clause, we write present tense. Then in the main clause, we write future. In the conditional clause, we have imperfect. Then in the main clause, we write conditional present. When we have fluique perfect in the conditional clause, we write conditional passé in the main clause. These are the three rules of making use of conditions. Si tu viens, nous irons au cinéma. Si tu venais, nous irions au cinéma. Si tu étais venu, nous serions allés au cinéma. If you come, we will go to the cinema. If you came, we would go to the cinema. If you had come, we would have gone to the cinema. Lisez et comprenez. Read and understand. Number 1. Elle m'a dit qu'elle irait à Paris. She told me that she would go to Paris. Irait, would go. Number 2. Il m'a dit que tu viendrais à Paris. He told me that you would come to Paris. Viendrait, would come. Si je suis riche, je visiterai Paris. If I am rich, I will visit Paris. Si j'avais des ailes, Je volarais. If I had wings, I would fly. Si tu étais venu, j'aurais été heureux. If you had come, I would have been happy. Aurais été, would have been. Do not hesitate to go through this lesson again and again till the content of conditional mode is very well understood. You have a conjugation verb avoir in present conditional affirmative, and second one être in passé du conditionnel in negative form. Do it carefully. You may subscribe to this video channel for the notifications of the latest lessons. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care, have good ones. Thank you and bye bye.